Guys, I hope you've been enjoying this wonderful weather we've had lately. Hasn't it been spectacular? It's gonna get even better though by this weekend. Highs are gonna be in the 70s. Lows may get into the upper 40s. This is gonna be the coolest temperatures we've experienced since around the middle to early part of May. It's gonna feel fantastic out there. It already does this morning, despite the little bit of a warm up that's going on. There's a live look from Walton southbound out towards Uptown Rogers. It's some heavy traffic this morning. A little bit of clouds here and there, but otherwise a great start to the day and a fall weekend coming up as the cold front cuts through. The cold front arrives coming up later on today, and there may be at least a small chance of showers with it. No severe weather with this stuff. In fact, most of us stay dry as it moves through. I want to take you to the weekend forecast. Look at these highs, only mid to upper 70s, dry air. Oh my goodness. This is awesome. Again, a little chilly in the morning, both Saturday and Sunday morning. Yeah, there will be a warm up next week, but in the meantime, things are looking nice for us as we move through the next couple of days. As far as it goes right now, our temperatures are in the 60s, close to about 66 or so in X and A, 65 in Fayetteville, around 74 in Fort Smith. So mid 60s to start off the day. Not much out there in the way of cloud cover. If we back out just a little bit here, I'll turn off the radar. The satellite doesn't show a whole lot. I'll turn on the infrared here and we'll be able to see a little bit of a boundary to the north. So this is the front that's starting to move on in. You can see it a little better here on the satellite imagery, but that front right now, which is stationary, will get a push today and then start dropping to the south. So we have some clouds out there, but with the front in the area, there will be at least a small chance of rain in central and south Arkansas this morning. There's been a couple of spotty showers. Most of that blue you see on there, though, is ground clutter. Okay, so let's talk about how this thing plays out here in the coming days. So here's where we are now. You have the front starting to move through. By lunchtime today, it cuts into the central part of the state. So we do have small rain chances pretty much bisecting the state from the northeast to the southwest. By evening, sunset, it's already cleared, and then later tonight, it's all gone. So if we have any rain chances, it's right in here around midday. Saturday morning, here is the high, the northeast winds, the wonderful weather. The highs overhead for Saturday and Sunday and Monday. And then by Tuesday, we're on the return flow. So we're back to south winds as the high moves farther to the east. That is going to warm things up for us by Wednesday and Thursday of next week. And you can also see some smaller rain chances returning as the moisture starts to return for this upcoming week. So a little bit of rain chances in the forecast for us, but overall, some really nice weather here moving through the next couple of days. And I think as we head into next week, you will notice a warming trend that goes back into the mid 80s. It's not super duper hot, but certainly warmer than this weekend is going to be. All right, so as far as the data goes, let's take a look at this. This is for those rain chances later today, hour by hour, just to show you kind of what the data is showing here. Most of it's in the central part of the state. There's a couple of showers there east of Russellville. We may get one or two sneak into Fort Smith. Looks like Boonville maybe has a chance. Clarksville. It's just not going to be a lot. It's just with that front that moves through. Most of us will stay dry as it moves through the area. And if you're headed to the game tomorrow, man, talk about some great football weather. Kickoff temperatures will be close to 70, 74 at halftime, and 77 for post game. Really great weather out in Stillwater, and really great weather around here too. Some awesome, fantastic weather with temperatures that are going to be very comfortable for this time of year. Hope you have a great Friday. It's been a wonderful weather work week and weekend. That's a lot of alliteration on W's. We'll look forward to that warm up next week with some more rain chances. But in the meantime, put your fall setup on and those backyard barbecue pits or bonfires ready because it's going to feel every bit of fall heading into the next 2 days. Have a great weekend, guys.